Hi everyone. Today I came to visit one outlet called Popular Umbrella. This comes in a street called Mamulpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes nearby Chickpet metro station. It comes in a complex called CBS Plaza in ground floor. So I'm just showing you the landmark. The landmark is this Raghavendra Hotel. So right opposite to Raghavendra Hotel, this is Mamulpet. Again, just see that is Raghavendra Hotel. This is Mamulpet. Inside this street you have to go. When you come little bit forward, you can just check like this one cross will come, and here that complex is there, CBS Plaza, and here his outlet is there, Popular Umbrella. You can just have a look. That is a cross building right opposite to this. Here you have to come. This is a complex, Popular Umbrella. Here it is written. You have to get inside this complex. So this is the outlet. You can just have a look. Popular Umbrella. Exclusive wholesale dealers of umbrellas, garden umbrellas, lot of varieties you will get here. Tent. So if you are in business or you want to start a new business or you want to purchase for yourself, you can come here. Number is on video screen. You can contact them and they'll send you all the details. I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Dharmesh and his name is Mr. Dikshit. Hi sir, welcome to my show. Sir, tell me something about your studio, sir. What and all you'll get?
Welcome to Popular Umbrellas.
Okay.
Here you will get all kinds of umbrellas, folding, long umbrellas, golf umbrellas, gazebo tents, and lot of variety for children and garden umbrellas also.
Okay. How many years old, sir, for you in business?
Our firm is almost 75 years old now.
Okay, and minimum how much they have to buy, sir? People who
You
are coming.
can buy anything as much as you like.
Okay,
So
and
within one piece to bulk.
Okay.
We cater to everyone possible.
and what is the timing, sir?
Our timings are 10 a.m. to 7:45 p.m.
Sundays?
Sundays we are closed.
Okay, sir. So these are the garden umbrellas. Just check the collection. Wow, this is absolutely amazing. Beautiful garden umbrellas. I'm seeing this for the first time. These kind of quality designs, and just check. This comes with light. Great opportunity, and you're getting for wholesale price. So if you're interested, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all the details. So he is Mr. Dhruv, the owner of this place. So Dhruv, in this episode, what you are going to show?
So as you can see, we have different kind of garden umbrellas, patios umbrellas, which are used for multi-purpose. You can use this for hotel, restaurants.
Okay, would you like to show one by one? Would you like to show one by one?
Yes. So this is a new. This
Wow.
we just introduced this.
Superb.
This is with LED lights.
Awesome.
And you can even tilt this
Okay.
depending
This-
on the sun. You can tilt it.
Oh, okay.
So if the
360
sun is on
degrees.
that- Yes. If the sun is on that side, you can tilt it.
Okay. So this working on battery, this LED lights.
Yes. Battery, and there's a solar panel on top.
Oh wow, there's a solar panel also. Yeah,
And
I just saw. Yeah, nice.
You can close it like this only from this.
Okay. Very easy to manage.
Yes.
Okay. And this is a stand like this. In this, how many colors we'll get?
This you'll get blue and khaki, two colors.
Blue and green color.
Khaki, this color, this kind of color.
Okay. And size?
Size, this is the 2.7 meters, that is 9 feet.
Fantastic. Yeah, just check
And there's
like
a button
this.
over here from which you can turn the light off and on.
Okay. Okay, this is a light on and off. Superb. So if you want for cafe, restaurant, multi-purpose, this all is
For your garden, for your house, terrace house, for all of that, multi-purpose.
very nice. Price you can WhatsApp. He'll send you. Next, what you are going to show?
So this is another heavy version in the same
Okay.
with LED lights.
Okay.
So this is aluminum frame.
So right now light is not that much visible because we are in the daylight, but this all are the LED lights. You can just have a look. So in night time it will look more nice. Yeah, tell.
So in this again, this is aluminum frame heavy.
Okay.
Again with a 22 kg base you'll get.
Okay.
So this again, you get a lever to close and open it.
Okay. In this, how many colors we'll get?
In this you'll get only one color as it is.
And size is what this?
Size, this is again 2.7 meters.
2.7. But the you are telling the durability is very strong.
This is more because this is aluminum frame.
Okay, this is aluminum. Okay,
And
nice.
there's this thing, button over here.
Wow. Now umbrella also coming with technology and
So
all.
light on and off.
Superb. This is
And you can even charge this from here.
okay.
You can remove
USB
this and
cable.
You can charge it.
Okay.
USB Type-C.
type. Nice. Superb. So see now umbrella also coming with technology and all. This is amazing. And solar panel. This is
This is solar panel. I'll show you.
okay. So there is up solar panel. You can just have a look. And there is also solar panel. It's working on solar panel. Wow. Nice.
So once you close it,
Okay.
there's a solar panel on top.
Yeah. You can just see. There is a solar panel.
And even you can fold it like this and keep it.
Okay. Nice. Cool man. Very nice. This is. This time you have very nice collections.
Yes, we've added few collections.
Beautiful collections.
And this is again center pole
Okay.
with wooden finish. It's
Okay.
not wooden, it's metal only, but the finish is like that.
Okay.
So it has two layer double decker.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
you can see there's a layer for the wind to pass.
Okay.
You can see it from outside.
How many colors will get?
In this you get three colors: maroon, off-white, and green.
Size?
Size again 2.7 meters.
2.7 meters. Okay. So price you can ask because this price
Yes.
keeps changing regularly, and this is wholesale price. This business gets affected. Okay. Next, what do you want to show?
Then in this we have one more variety.
But this is very nice shape, yeah. Like very nice collection,
Yes.
and this is also very
This
strong.
is a
The base.
15 kg stand.
Okay. This is also very strong. Base. Nice. Cool. Then next, what do you want to show?
बाद में, in this we have side pole umbrella.
This looks very rich.
So if you have a table in which you don't have a hole,
Okay.
so you can keep it on the side and from there this thing.
Superb, yeah. This looks very cool and elegant. This kind of umbrellas, you can just have a look.
And this
And
comes with a granite base
Oh.
which is 33 kgs.
this is super strong, I think.
You can
right?
keep a pot also in this.
Okay,
You can
this
keep
very
a pot
strong.
on this.
Nice. Just see.
And this is the umbrella.
How many colors we'll get in this?
In this you'll get 5 colors.
5 colors. And size?
Size again 2.7 meters.
Okay. But this time you have very creative umbrellas, very amazing garden umbrellas. Maybe after some time, more amazing collections they are going to get. So this is
this. Once
very
you
nice.
close it.
So if you want for restaurant, cafe, for house, for apartments, these umbrellas will definitely
This-
lift the look of your place.
This kind of variety you will not get it anywhere. This ready stock variety.
And this will get over very soon.
Yes.
This will get over very soon. So if you
But we
want,
have regular stock,
okay,
but we keep good amount. Even if you want 5 pieces, we give you 5 pieces.
nice. Okay. So Dhruv, next what you are going to show?
So in side pole we have another variety
Okay.
which is square shape. So a lot of people ask for square shape.
Okay.
So in square shape we've got a new this thing.
This is square shape. Nice.
And
Very
this
big.
This is manual. Like you have to open and close it like this.
Okay.
You have to you can close it like this.
Okay.
You can just
Nice. Very big. How many colors we'll get in this?
In this you'll get 3 colors.
And size?
Size is 2.2 into 2.2.
Okay. And this also comes with this.
Yes.
Okay. So the base is also very
Again
strong.
33 kgs you get granite base.
Nice. So if you're interested, this options also you have. Next, what do you want to show?
And this is the basic range of 2.7 meters.
Okay. This is a regular one.
Umbrella, regular one.
Okay.
But again in premium range.
Okay. How many colors?
And with this you have you get 4 to 5 colors.
And size?
Size again 2.7 meters.
Okay. And this is a base like this.
Yeah, 15
This is quite
kg
strong.
here.
15 kg. This is okay.
And you can again close it with this thing.
Okay. Cool.
And all this variety you only get a popular umbrella.
Alright. Before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections of garden umbrellas. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love their collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.